expected to sign with 12 other political parties. Away from that, the Executive Director of the Azimio One Kenya Secretariat, Raphael Tuju, has held a meeting with the Secretaries General of the affiliate parties this morning at Serena Hotel. The meeting is a push to stem threats of internal revolts and seal emerging cracks in his Azimio outfit. Speaking earlier, the leaders downplayed the differences, saying a leaked letter from One Kenya Alliance has caused unnecessary jitters. Let's listen in.
This little press briefing is the first briefing that I do since being appointed the CM of the Azimio bus, that is Chief Makanga for the Azimio bus. I think that we've had a very fruitful meeting this morning. It was the very first meeting with the Secretary Generals of all the parties which form the Azimio One Kenya coalition. It has been honest and open discussions without any limits. And I want to say that there will be more communication from our secretariat, hopefully from end of this week or next week. But this is the very first one. We were consulting on how we're going to move forward. We have generally agreed that we'll be guided by the very important principles of guiding a big coalition such as ours. We have agreed on what our goal is. Our goal is that our presidential candidate wins on 9th of August, and everything else, that is the beacon we are looking at, and all of us standing here, there's consensus on that. There's also understanding of what the management of this coalition is going to be. Is going to be guided by 3 C's. That is constant consultation, cooperation, compromise, and concession, and consensus, within the context of mutual respect and understanding the competing interests of the individual members of the coalition, and also, of course, not losing sight of the big picture. So this morning we're going to be addressed by 3 of us, and if there are any questions I may be able to answer. The first one is the Secretary General of WIPA, then is going to be followed by the Secretary General of KANU, and then the third will be the Secretary General of DAP, my brother and friend Eseli Semio. So let me start by giving her the first chance, and then after that I'll be able to field any questions and we'll see how to proceed with that. Thank you very much.
Member of the press, I know you have a lot of questions, more so for the SG of WIPA. Now, we are here today to reiterate and affirm our unity as Azimio Oka. We know that maybe you will have questions regarding the letter which came out yesterday from Oka. We want to tell you that letter is legitimate and it is being handled by the principals. We never had this forum before, but we have agreed from today henceforth that this forum is the one to be channeled for any issues or any concerns concerning any party which we are in together as a coalition. So please, we want to assure this country, we want to assure everybody that we are moving together, and as we move together, there is bound to be waves and turbulence, and we are here and we are ready to tackle them.
Still on